Yo kubwaterana naboigo kuba omoyo abagosoria kurwase ensemo eria ya Eastern Region nigo bone kiombe gie Chigosori kia FKF enseme yo kiareganeti omoiga hogala na kobatona bari bagendrete ko koribu ya se Chigosori naboigo kuba ebiego au asegati yabo bari banyartiko ko bagwikirana na ekiombe kyo kia gala bose bari baikiranta enseme yo mbakirete ekiombe kyo mbuyamono ase hokwarigania omoiga buno yo bunagotumanya murikito Daniel Omwaka.
Ekiombe egienkoyo gya FKF Eastern Region nigo kiaregantio monyego monene ogara wekonane ebiegwa monyego ywe nigo korekanete imeye nsemo ya Embu ase abarai au kuro ekiombe kyo gya FKF orosegi orwe babetuka bagwikirana egati yabo Benson Kanyuru oyoro munyakerobo obwekiombe gya FKF kuro nsemo ya Meru Angelina Ndina oyoro marefali obwekiombe gya FKF nsemo yo amona Basil Sangete oyoro mu captain bwe timu ere ya Bongole FC. Na ekero gyokubatona ababui ebiegwa bali babeteka bagokia maiso yabatiotereria nigo omorikiterio kechi abeteka tono ekiegwa kiria kyomorikyo muya abu mwaka ase kiegwa kirikyo mogosori omuya kyamucherete Nedi Moses naboigo ekiegwa kyomwaro kyomuya gikamuchera Moses Munene na ase chitimu chiricha beta chikokora buya kurwe enseme yo nige timu ya Dynamo FC abeteka bagikwira enambe yemo kurugabwe etimu eria itoleka Homeboys yakaireri bagali akabere ase timu ya Administration Police FC korukanyororo yabeteka bagikwira bagali gatatu. Ebiegwa biri by'abarefari giyata kuri ensemo ya Machakose gikamuchera mu refari Frederick Kunyungu naboigo Sylvia Wambu akaireri bagali akabere ase Robert Kameu airetoka bali bagali gatatu. Abarigania bomonyega oyogara nigo batebetebuna engenche nayo kwarigania omonyego oywe noko bawo moyo bali bagene tokora bya asensemo ye Chigosori ili bagendere kubeka moyo na gwesira samotuka mutwe.
Siku ya leo tulikuwa tuna celebrate tulikuwa na Gara Night. The Gara Night is geared towards empowering and promoting the local coaches, the local referees, and encouraging them for good work that they have done for us season 2024-2025, and appreciate them for the good work they are doing.
The business community has seen what opportunities there are in football. They have seen the crowd. They have seen what positive inspiration looks like when these young ones have been recognized.
Okwana ekerekyo egati abare bali babeteka bagotono ebiego ebyo nigo batebetebuna ekyo negatamba kerebo ekemogyo ko bawo moyo ire kwendera komesa ekero babwate birimbi.
This Gala Night has encouraged me in officiating matches, especially in our region and in the higher tier. It's a great move to our region, Eastern Region, and we are happy about this event.
Omo captain we club ya Bongole FC kikibato menyebwa yensemo ya Malsabete oyobetaka korana na kwire kegwa somo yegoyo nigatebetebuna ebiego ebyo nibwo chikoba omoyo nakobakora bagendera gukora megiria matindi bosio bwisonye nyego cha iyo era chaka matuka make aremotwe.
Being the first gala in the Eastern Region, I feel so lucky and I'm so proud that my team emerged victorious as the best team in Marsabit County. I'll take this as a very big motivation to home and talk to my players, and then I think this will really push us to the next level.
Nsoko TV Chigosori N'Abanyangongo Daniel Omwaka.